Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and Miss Cali Cat is right here at my feet. You know she's always going to be pretty close. So today I tried a new store. Y'all, I've seen Forever 21. I always thought, oh, the clothes are going to be too young for me. I'm not going to be able to shop there. Because it's got 21 in the name. But I thought I would give it a shot and see if there was anything there that I could pull off at my 40 plus years. So yeah, I ended up gravitating towards the denim. I want to see if their denim is any good. So I ordered 4 pair of pants. I paid about $74.37, which, you know, some jeans are more than that for one pair. So let's look at the pants that I got from Forever 21 and see if we can pull them off on our over 40 bodies. There's Miss Cali Cat, everybody. You want to say hi, Miss Cali Cat? Yeah. Looks like they're all going to be individually wrapped, so I'm going to unwrap them and I'll see if I can find them. Okay, so we'll start right here. These are a flare high-rise jean. The color is light denim. Yes, because I'm feeling the flare. I got me some flares. I haven't been loving the lighter denims lately, so I'm not sure about these. They, of course, are just an elastic band up at the top. At least it is a little wider than some I have seen. They are in a size large. I'm scared that that's not going to be big enough. Very thin material. I do like the pleat down the front. It makes a fun boho look. And look how big those things are. Oh my goodness. They're big. Wait a minute. Let me just yeah. The seam of the foot is bigger around than the waist. What was I thinking? Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have so much fun with these. Okay, so these were originally $24. I got them on sale for $14.40. Fun to try on. Maybe a little too flare. We'll have to see when we put them on. The next pair I got, these are also high-rise flare jeans. These are in medium. They are in a size 30, and these are the buttons. They have the button up top, actually double buttoned and a zip. They're, like I said, a size 30, which pretty much is a large. They're slim fit and flare leg. This to me is also a light denim. It's not like an ultralight like the other one, but I don't consider it a light. I mean, I prefer a darker medium denim, is what I'm trying to say. And there is the flare to the leg. Not as big as the other ones, but still big, fun. Did I show you the back? I don't even know. Very cute. These are originally, this is a thicker, kind of more denim-y feel to them than those did. Those almost felt legging denim. These originally are $34.99. I got them on sale for $20.99. These are flare high-rise jeans. They're in a washed black. I believe this is the same pair as that medium wash, and I just got them in a black. No, they're not the same actually, because this one only has one button at the top. But they're still the high-rise slim fit flare leg, size 30. So black jeans do not always fit the same way to me as blue jeans do. I don't know, sometimes their size is just different. I don't know if y'all ever experienced that or not, but anyways, the flare is huge on these as well. Very fun, and the same price as the other ones, the $34.99 originally, and I paid $20.99 for them. This is the fun pair, y'all. These are Velveteen flare pants. Yeah, velvet, y'all. I just had to. I mean, I've been really into the different textures this year. more into sweaters, more into the faux suede, things like that. And I felt velvet was a little underrepresented in my closet. I don't have anything that's velvet. So these are supposed to be in chocolate, but to me, looking at them, they almost look burgundy, which I'm okay with that. They're in a large. They're originally $29.99, and I paid $17.99 for them. They have the front pleat and the humongous wide, but look at this, y'all. They've got this big slit in the front where that pleat goes, and it'll kick out and show you boots. Oh my goodness, that'll be fun. And yeah, I probably should have got a top or something to show with you, but I was having so much fun looking at all these gigantic flare pants that that's all I got. So I'll show you what I'm wearing today. I'll try this stuff on for you. Y'all don't forget to comment below and tell me what you think. Have I lost my mind? Is this just fun or what? Always comment, always tell me what you think. I love to hear it. Don't forget to press the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. It is free. Please share with your friends. Tell everybody about the channel. I'd love to grow the channel some more. I really appreciate it if you help me out. And don't forget to press the notification bell so you know when I got new videos coming out. I will see y'all back in a second. There's Miss Cat. Hey there, girl. So this is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing some can denim I got from Stitch Fix, and this top is from Nordstrom, I think Trunk Club. I will link it below if I can find it. Very cute. I have no idea where I got this. I've had it for a while. These I think I got from mintMONGOOSE, and this I just got from Single Swag in their January box. So my outfit of the day. Oh, and we can't forget my socks. New bikini socks I got from Cat Lady box on. Alright, let's try on some clothes. Alright, y'all, I definitely had to do some wiggling to get in these. Yes, I fit in the large, but they were pull them up tight kind of thing. At first I didn't think they were going to come up to here, but the more I wiggled, the more I got. But man, you can see every line of my underwear underneath them, and I feel like this would be uncomfortable. Now, if I was wearing something longer, that wouldn't matter. Will I keep them? I don't know. Can y'all see the bell bottom of it all? Look at that. Man, them things is huge. Let's go to the next pair because I don't know how I'm feeling about these. I don't remember if I showed you the back or not. They're just a little on the thin side, I think. And that, you know, it gave them the stretch. But like, I don't even feel like this is going the right way. You know? This is just, these aren't for me. Let's move on. Y'all, I can't get these buttoned. From this end, they look fine. I don't know if I'm not able, because they're so tight through here, to get them pulled up all the way, because they look pretty long. But yeah, they're not buttoning for me, so these aren't going to work either. It's too bad too, because they do have that wide hem that I like on these. It keeps them from really folding up. But let's just move on. This is what I was talking about the difference in the black denim and the blue denim. These fit great. I mean, it doesn't make any sense to me. But yeah, they're great. They're fun. Bell bottoms. They're black. Look, they look cute at this top too. Very cute. These I may keep. They come up nice and high. My belly button's down here. So I got a good bit to cover up the flabub. Very cute. Alright, let's try the last ones on. Alright, I was able to get these zipped, but just barely. And you can see it's pulling at the pockets. So I'd really need to go up a size in these if I decide to keep them. But look, can you see where you can kick out? But I don't know. I think they're fun. Will I size up in them? Probably not, unless y'all go, oh my goodness, you have to own them. They just, my door's sticking out. I mean, they're so tight, it's hard to tell. But fun, I mean, fun. How cute is that? I mean, just a little fun kick. Okay, let's do a review. All right, I am back. Now, one thing I forgot to tell you, if you do order from online from Forever 21, there is a $5.95 shipping. If you want to return anything, it's $5.99 shipping as well. So I'll either have to pay that or go to my Forever 21 store. If I can ever get better, I'd go to the store. Maybe. Okay, let's go back through. As always, I do want y'all to comment below and tell me if you think I should exchange these things, if you think I should return them and not go for them, or what you think. I just want your opinion. Now, these, of course, were too small. Will I exchange them for another pair? Probably not. I'll probably just return them. Even though they were, you know, $18. That's still a good price. But I'll probably just return them. The black pair I am going to keep. This was what, cost me $21. I am going to keep these. Fun, yes, huge, and I may trip over these things, but they'll be fun just to wear around for 20 bucks. Callie, what are you doing, silly girl? Now these, I couldn't get buttoned. Should I exchange these for a larger size, or should I not worry about it? Part of me wants to try a larger size, and the other part of me is like, don't worry about it. What do y'all think? I need y'all's opinion. Resize or just return? And these I am going to return. I just, you know, even though I could get them on, you could see everything, it may be a bigger size, wouldn't have that problem. But I've got a pair that's similar to this I got from Maurice's that I like a lot better. So I'm going to return these as well. So what did y'all think of my Forever 21 bottoms try on? Did you like it? Do you want to see more stuff from the store? Do you want me to try to fit in, you know, find something that's not cropped and stuff like that we can wear at a Forever 21, or you want me to shop somewhere else? Y'all let me know. Comment below. Don't forget to push all them buttons below. Thanks for spending time with us. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.